Before delving into the methods of monitoring a project, it is important to consider the full range of duties the design firm's project manager faces. So let's begin by discussing project management duties and responsibilities. Now we will go through the list as examples of the primary responsibilities. In order for the project manager to monitor and control his or her project, these responsibilities must be carried out. 1. Order reports, tests, and information as required. 2. Review all correspondence and incoming material related to the project and have it properly routed and filed using an accepted and predetermined filing protocol. 3. Ensure that the project file is current, neat, and well organized. 4. Ensure that all designers and consultants are working with all available resources and with correct and current standards. 5. Keep the lines of communication open with the client and be sure the client is aware of project progress and developments. 6. Maintain written telephone records sheets for all communications with the client, consultants, and agencies. 7. Review the development of drawings and specifications on a regular basis and verify that the responsibilities of the team members are being met. 8. Comply with the firm's quality control and quality assurance measures. 9. Monitor the work of the consultants and keep them up to date on project decisions. 10. Continually monitor work that is outside the scope of work defined in the contract. Advise the client immediately in writing that certain items are determined to be outside of the scope. Obtain written client authorization before proceeding with any out-of-scope work. 11. Coordinate submittals to the client and review agencies, and coordinate project checking within the firm. Obtain agency and client signatures indicating that they have reviewed and fully commented on each submittal. 12. Ensure that up-to-date sets of check drawings are maintained for the project team members' use. 13. Coordinate ongoing staff scheduling at weekly project managers' meetings and anticipate staffing needs for 2 weeks. 14. Actively use the contract to verify that work being done meets all project requirements and does not exceed contractual requirements. 15. Review weekly timesheet reports and consider who is charging time to the project and ensure that correct phases and tasks are being used, that numbers of hours seem correct, and that hourly rates are compatible with those agreed to in the contract. 16. Review project status reports. Check the percentage complete in each category of work and the total percentage complete. Note that some expenses lag by 1 to 3 weeks behind the actual activity that created the expense. 17. Each week, review the status of the drawings to gain an accurate idea of percentage completion of the drawings and specifications. 18. If it becomes obvious that the current budget cannot be met, redistribute the remaining budget if possible, request additional fees from the client, or reduce effort to complete the remaining work where possible. If all efforts to develop a method to meet the budget are unsuccessful, inform management of the potential problems. 19. Review and update the schedule periodically, and any sign of difficulty in meeting project deadlines should be brought immediately to the attention of management. 20. Resolve all conflicts that arise among members of the project team. Resolve scheduling and staffing conflicts with other project managers in your unit or practice group. If staffing decisions adversely affect the project to the point where it will create budget or schedule problems, discuss the situation with senior management immediately.